Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create a resume in Canva. Here's how it is done. Step 1. Sign up or log in. First, open the Canva app or go to canva.com. If you don't have an account yet, sign up for free. If you already have one, just log in. Step 2. Search for resume templates. Once you are logged in, use the search bar at the top and type resume. Canva has a wide range of pre-designed resume templates to choose from. You can browse through different styles and pick the one that suits your personality and profession. Step 3. Choose a template. Click on the template you like and it will open in the editor. This is where the magic happens. Step 4. Customize your resume. Now it is time to personalize your resume. Start by editing the text. Click on any text box and replace the sample text with your own details, such as your name, contact information, experience, education, and skills. Step 5. Adjust the design. You can also change colors, fonts, and layouts to match your style. Canva offers easy to use tools for resizing text, adjusting spacing, or moving elements around. Step 6. Add or remove sections. If you need more sections like skills or certifications, click on the text tab to add them. You can also remove sections you don't need by simply clicking and deleting them. Step 7. Download your resume. Once you are happy with your resume, click on the download button in the top right corner. You can download it as a PDF, PNG, or JPEG. And that is everything you need to know about how to create a resume in Canva.